next big thing. These are not buy recommendations. This is only research from Varindar Bansal. Varindar, what's on your radar today?
Well, a company by the name of Vindhya Telelinks. It's an MP Birla Group company. There's a chart which will come on your screen, which will, I think, depict everything about this company. As you can see, this is an operational company. This is not a holding company. I repeat, it's not a holding company. They operate in two segments. One is the fiber optics, and the second is the engineering, procurement, and construction. They will earn nearly 80 crore profit only from this operational business. Plus, if you just see the investment in group companies is nearly 1,350 crores, which is much higher, nearly 20% higher than the market cap alone. So almost, you are getting this company free with that business which operates and gives you 80 crore of profit annually and nearly 100 crores next year. So if you just see this company, manufacturing plant is located at Rewa, which is in MP. The fiber optic business, where the company, if I just mentioned the first segment, which is the fiber optic, leading supplier of jelly-filled telecommunication cables and optic fibers to almost all the telecom companies, defense companies, Reliance Infocom, Bharti, Railways, BSNL, MTNL. So these are the key clients what this company has in that in that fiber optic space. The company had recently backed nearly 1,600 crore order from BSNL to build optic fiber cable network for India's armed forces. So they have been getting orders. The second segment, EPC, where they are the leading players for telecom network rollout and also provide solutions for power distribution and sewerage projects. Look at the numbers, okay? As I said, there are two things to look out for in this company. The first, of course, is I'll talk about the investments first. A market cap of 1,050 crore. There's a net long-term debt of 100 crores. But if you just look at the investments of this company in some of the group companies, it's nearly 1,350 crores, which is 20% higher. If you look at only Birla Corp, in Birla Corp, this company holds 34% stake directly and indirectly. The entire calculation for that stake sale in Birla Corp will come on your screen. 9%, they also hold in Pilani Investment, which is nearly 150 crores. They also hold 22.5% stake in Universal Cables, which is nearly 50 crores, and also nearly 13.3% in Birla Ericsson. The entire calculation in Birla Corp and Pilani Investment will run on your screen. So if you club everything together, that value itself is only 1,350 crores, which is much higher than the current market cap. Now, look at the business, okay, which is very, very important. The operational part, which I mentioned, the optic fiber and the EPC. The company five-year compounded sales growth of 26.5%. That is some number which Lata always looks at. The sales growth for 5 years has been over 25%, 26.5%, which will come on your screen. If you look at the PAT growth for the last 5 years, CAGR, the compounded annual growth rate has been 38% for this company. Look at the earnings on a standalone basis, because for the first half they report on a standalone numbers. First half sales was up 84% for this company. EBITDA was up 257%. EBITDA margin at 20.8% compared to only 10%. So the EBITDA margins had been significantly jumping from 10% to 20.8%, and profit was up to 43%. Cable, EPC, both of them, the margins have been just getting stronger with each and every quarter for this company. Look at that running on your screen. If you look at the earnings for FY15, consolidated EPS was 63 rupees. Most of the analysts believe that going ahead, they will easily do 80 crore of profit in FY16 and nearly 100 crore profit going ahead in FY17. That means if you're just looking at the operational business of this company, it's trading at less than 10 times, FY17 earnings. Plus, you have all the holding, which is higher than the market cap in this company. Look at the shareholding pattern, which I always look at some of these companies. Promoter holding is 43.5%. Reliance Mutual Fund holds 8% stake in this company, which gives us the comfort in a small cap company. You have a big shareholder, which is there. US-based Acacia Partners also holds 5% stake. The triggers for this company, of course, Government of India's digitization program. They also have a JV with the Portugal's Visabria Global, which they are working for the smart city projects. Things you should keep an eye on for this company if you're tracking this company closely. Orders and flow, of course, is very important to watch out for, whether they're consistently getting orders in the optic fiber and the EPC or not. Margins, of course, whether they grow at the same margins what they've been growing in the last 1 month or no. And any monetization of the held equity investments could be a big trigger for the company. So keep an eye on this company. This is a company, operational company of MP Birla Group, where the investments in group companies higher than market cap, plus a capably, most probably they will deliver 100 crore of profit going ahead in FY17. So keep this company on your radar.
Okay. At the moment, what's the PE?
It's if you're looking for FY17, it's trading at 8.5 times.
Okay. Well, that looks like a very good idea. A small cap, big idea coming in from Varindar Bansal. Well, how many minutes do we have? Any time to